everyone. Now I'm going to show you how you can record a Flipgrid video because some of your assignments this year might be using Flipgrid. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your classroom and then go up to classwork. This is the button where you're going to access a lot of your assignments. Sometimes they might appear here, like I can see here that there's a new assignment, but I always want to go up to classwork first because that's where my instructions will be. So I notice that there's only one assignment here. It might look like this when I pull it up, so I might have to click on it. And when I click on it, I can see there's instructions for me about what I need to do here. So I will always want to read the instructions first so I know what to do. It's a Flipgrid video. I see right here that there's a link to a Flipgrid, so I'm going to click it. Now, this should pop up asking me to log in. Since we are Google in Google Classroom, we're going to click on Join with Google. Now, I need to select who I am. It may already have me chosen, especially if I've logged in on my Chromebook. All right, on this page I can see here's the title of this grid, Getting to Know You. And then I can see that there are some more instructions here in case I forgot from Google Classroom. It tells me what I'm doing here. So once I'm ready and I know what to do, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click on this red button with this video camera on it. It will ask me if I want to allow my microphone and my camera, and I do, because if I don't, then I can't record my Flipgrid video. All right, this tells me that I have 5 minutes for this video. So my teacher set the time limit for 5 minutes. I don't have to use all 5 minutes, but that means that this shouldn't probably be a 30-second video. This should be a little bit longer so that my teacher can really get to know me. It says I can click anywhere to dismiss this button in the middle here. Now notice that there's a pink screen. That won't be there. Whenever I log in, I'm going to see myself. So to do that, it'll just be there. I need to click on this red button to start recording my video. I notice that there's this 3 little dots. So I have some options here. When I did that, it seems like it turned off my audio. I don't want to do that. There are some effects here. Filters I can use, frames, emoji, text, draw, all those kinds of things that you can play around with. I just want to record a regular video. So if you noticed, it gave me a countdown there before I started recording. So right now, since I see this pause button, it's recording everything I'm saying and everything it's seeing. So if I were on here, it'd be seeing my face. So when I was done, I'm going to click next. So if you noticed, it gave me a countdown there before I started recording. So there it was just going to preview everything I had already recorded. Now it asked me to snap a picture of myself that I'm going to submit a selfie. So when I'm ready to take my selfie, I'll click this camera. I do notice that I have the effects and options again, but I'm just going to take a regular old selfie. There it is. I like it. I'm going to click next. And then it's uploading my video. Here I can change my display name. Since this is a test, I'm going to call it test. And I can give it a title if I want, but that's optional. And then when I'm ready, I want my teacher to see this, I'm going to click submit. And that's it. My teacher will now be able to see my video that I created and listen to my answers. So that's how easy it is to record a Flipgrid video.